Plasma is an ionized matter with a gas-like state. We associate it with the processes taking place inside stars or fusion reactors. However, as the so-called cold plasma, it is successfully used for manufacturing, e.g. semiconductor devices, smartphones, or cutting tools. So important for the modern economy. Industrial plasma processes also allow formation of ultra-thin, with only a few to several dozen nanometers, layers on various types of surfaces, protecting the displays of smartphones and glasses, stopping infrared radiation on architectural glass, or transparent electronic paths on OLED displays. A key element of the manufacturing process of the above-mentioned products are devices which supply the energy needed to produce and sustain plasma. To see how these devices, a result of Polish technical thought, are created, we are visiting today TRUMPF Hüttinger. Ready? Let's get started.